So we're heading out Peralta Road, going out to Peralta Regional Park. We're going to spend the night out there in a tent. Yeah, it's pretty back here.
Next right.
Your destination is on the right.
So we got, I guess we got a handicap site. I stopped at the camp host and said, when I made the reservation, didn't say anything about being a handicap site. And he said, don't worry, we haven't had any handicapped people out here. I'm hoping to do some star photography. That's north. I want to catch the North Star and do some star trails. Just us and the coyotes and the rattlesnakes. Well, we got the tent up. It's starting to cool off. Bonnie's getting the insides ranged. Pretty out here. There's only a couple of campers out here. Pretty sunset. Bonnie's got the bed all made up. Our apartment. Plenty of room. And we got some friends up in Asheville. Dave and Bonnie, they're jealous that they don't have a tent like this. I know they need to go camping like this. You could be out here, Dave, with the rattlesnakes and the coyotes. Doesn't get any better than this. So Bonnie's making some MREs tonight, warming up some water. It's got a nice spot here. It's pretty. Starting to cool off. Supposed to get down in the 40s tonight. And I'm going to do some star photography. That's north right there. We're going to try to get the North Star and do some star trails around the North Star. Hopefully it'll work. It's a real pretty sunset tonight. So the coyotes have been busy all night, loud, close by. Woke me up a few times. It's about 47 degrees this morning. A little crisp, it's nice. Yeah, the coyotes are fairly close. The birds are starting to sing this morning. Pretty. Along with the coyotes. Good morning. It was a pretty sunrise over there.